Most people think green juice is either a miracle drink or complete hype. One side says it detoxes your body, melts fat, boosts energy, and turns your health around. The other side says it's overpriced colored water. But what if the truth is somewhere in between? What if drinking a simple green juice every morning doesn't magically transform your body overnight, but still becomes one of the smartest habits you can build after 40? Today on Pulse Theory 360, we're uncovering the real science and practical benefits behind one of the most popular wellness drinks, green juice, made with spinach, cucumber, and lemon. We're going beyond trends and looking at what actually happens inside your body when you drink it consistently. Does it support detox? Does it improve energy? Does it provide nutrients? And most importantly, is it truly healthy or just another social media health trend? Imagine waking up tomorrow and instead of starting your day with sugary juice, flavored coffee, or nothing at all, you drink a fresh green blend packed with hydration and plant nutrients. That one simple decision could quietly change how your body feels over time. But to understand why, we need to break down what each ingredient really does. Let's begin with the biggest wellness word of all, detox. Green juice companies love using the word detox because it sounds powerful. But here's the reality. Your body already has a detox system. Your liver filters, your kidneys remove waste, your digestive system processes and eliminates. Your lungs and skin play roles too. You don't need a magical drink to clean your body. However, your body does need support. It needs hydration, nutritions, antioxidants, less inflammatory stress. This is where green juice becomes valuable. Not because it detoxes you, but because it may support the systems already doing the work. Let's start with spinach. Spinach may not look exciting, but nutritionally, it's one of the strongest leafy greens available. Spinach delivers vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, magnesium, potassium, antioxidants, and plant compounds. One of its most interesting compounds is natural nitrate. When you eat nitrate-rich vegetables, your body converts them into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide supports blood vessel relaxation and circulation. Better circulation means nutrients and oxygen move more efficiently throughout your body. That matters more than most people realize. Healthy circulation supports energy, recovery, and overall wellness. Spinach also contributes antioxidant protection. Every day, your body deals with oxidative stress caused by aging, stress, poor sleep, pollution, and metabolism itself. Over time, oxidative stress contributes to inflammation and cellular wear. Antioxidants help protect against this damage. Now let's talk about cucumber. Cucumber doesn't get attention because it looks too simple. But cucumber is one of the most underrated wellness foods. It's mostly water, and hydration affects everything. Energy, skin, digestion, blood flow, recovery, brain performance. Many adults wake up slightly dehydrated without realizing it. Overnight, your body loses water naturally. Starting your morning hydrated creates a better foundation for the entire day. Cucumber helps support this process. Beyond water, cucumber contributes antioxidants and light nutrition while remaining gentle on digestion. Then comes lemon, the ingredient that transforms the entire experience. Lemon brings brightness, flavor, vitamin C, and antioxidant support. Vitamin C plays important roles in immunity, collagen production, skin health, and protection against oxidative stress. Many people think lemon itself creates energy, but what they're often feeling is hydration plus improved routine. A healthier morning often creates healthier decisions later in the day. Now picture these ingredients together. Spinach supports nutrients and circulation. Cucumber supports hydration. Lemon supports antioxidant intake and freshness. Together, they create a morning ritual focused on supporting the body instead of overstimulating it. This becomes especially important after 40. As people age, energy becomes less forgiving. Recovery slows. Hydration matters more. Inflammation becomes more noticeable. Many people try solving low energy with more caffeine instead of asking deeper questions. Am I hydrated? Am I nourishing my body? Am I getting nutrients? Green juice doesn't replace sleep or healthy eating, but it may support these foundations. Let's talk about energy, because this is one of the biggest reasons people try green juice. Most people think energy means stimulation, coffee, sugar, energy drinks. But real energy begins inside cells. Your body creates energy through oxygen, nutrients, hydration, sleep, and metabolic function. When these systems work better, energy feels smoother and more stable. Green juice may support energy indirectly through hydration and nutrition. That's why some people describe green juice energy as cleaner, not because it stimulates them, but because it reduces some of the stress that drains energy. Another area people often mention is digestion. Hydration supports digestive movement. Plant nutrients support gut function. Lemon may stimulate digestive processes. Some people notice less bloating and improved comfort after introducing simple morning hydration routines. Again, not because green juice is magic, because your body responds well to support. Let's also discuss immunity. Immune health isn't just about avoiding colds. Immunity depends on sleep, hydration, stress management, nutrients, movement, and overall body function. Spinach provides nutrients involved in normal body maintenance. Lemon contributes vitamin C. Hydration supports countless biological processes. No drink guarantees immunity, but healthy habits help create stronger foundations. Heart health is another underrated benefit. Spinach nitrates support nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide supports circulation. Better circulation supports cardiovascular function. Hydration supports blood flow. Potassium supports fluid balance. These aren't dramatic overnight effects, but long-term health is built through repeated inputs. One of the smartest lessons in wellness is that small daily actions matter more than occasional extreme actions. But now let's talk honestly about limitations. Green juice is not perfect. One issue with traditional juicing is fiber loss. Fiber matters. Fiber supports digestion, satiety, blood sugar balance, and gut health. That's why blending instead of straining may sometimes offer more complete benefits. Another issue is excess. Some people overload green drinks with huge quantities of spinach every day, thinking more equals better. Health rarely works that way. Moderation and variety matter. Rotate ingredients. Stay balanced. Don't chase extremes. Another mistake people make is treating green juice like permission to ignore the rest of their habits. Biohacking isn't about shortcuts. It's about creating systems that support better function. One healthy drink can become part of that system, but not the whole system. Now imagine your future self 6 months from now. Not because green juice transformed your life overnight, but because one healthy morning habit created momentum. You drank more water, ate more vegetables, felt more aware of your health, made slightly better choices every day. That's how real transformation works. Quietly, consistently, through repetition. Health isn't built through perfection. It's built through patterns. So, is green juice every morning actually healthy? Yes, if you understand what it really does. It doesn't detox your body. It doesn't cure disease. It doesn't replace vegetables. But it may support hydration, nutrient intake, circulation, digestion, and healthier routines. And that alone makes it valuable. Sometimes powerful change starts with simple ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. Spinach, cucumber, lemon. A blender. A few minutes. One decision repeated every day. That's where better health often begins. This is Pulse Theory 360, where simple habits become powerful health transformation. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and follow Pulse Theory 360 for more science-backed health strategies, wellness insights, and practical daily biohacks.